Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump start a Chrysler 300. First, gather your jumper cables and a vehicle with a working battery. Safety is paramount, so ensure both cars are completely off and not touching each other. Always engage the parking brake and confirm automatic transmissions are in park. Remember to switch off all non-essential electrical accessories in both vehicles. Now, let's connect the cables. For your Chrysler 300, locate the positive jump start terminal under the hood, usually on the passenger side and covered by a red cap. Connect one red positive cable clamp to this terminal. Then, attach the other end of the red cable to the positive terminal of the booster vehicle's battery. Next, connect one black negative cable clamp to the booster car's negative battery terminal. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative cable clamp to a clean, unpainted metal surface on your Chrysler 300's engine block or chassis, away from the battery. This provides a good ground. Once connected, start the engine of the booster vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. After this brief charging period, try to start your Chrysler 300. Once your Chrysler 300 starts, it's time to disconnect the cables in reverse order. First, remove the black negative cable from the ground point on your car. Then, disconnect the black negative cable from the booster vehicle. Next, remove the red positive cable from the booster car's battery. Finally, detach the red positive cable from your Chrysler 300's positive terminal. Allow your car to run for at least 15 minutes to ensure the battery recharges sufficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.